Hey yo, it's Kathy, the plant-based lady. I am so excited to be back here with you today. And today we are making easy peasy shepherd's pie, baby. This is happening. This video is going to be a little bit different than all of the other videos that I've made thus far. So I hope you enjoy it. If you enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up. And I thank you so much if you are returning. I thank you so much for supporting me in my channel. And if you are new here, thank you so much. Get the hell in here and subscribe. Click that thing, baby, and join us on a regular basis. I love you so much. Here we go. All right, baby, you got your cooked potatoes. You're going to add some Kite Hill yogurt, also in my world known as sour cream, plain, right? Add that, whip them up real good, damn delicious. Add some cut green beans, canned sweet corn. All this stuff is canned, right? Canned sweet peas, yes, please. Diced tomatoes, drain the liquid first, right? I love you. And then just add some shredded carrots, baby. That's it. Look at all that nutrient value. Hell to the yeah. Mix it all up really good. Preheat your oven to about 350 while you're working all this shit out, right? Mix it all up good, baby. Mix it all up real good. Now let's give this nutrient value some more punch, right? Let's add some spinach. Of course, we're gonna add some greens, right? Right? Really, really good for your endothelial lining. The endothelial lining in your endothelial cells related to your blood pressure. Add some liquid aminos. Yes, please. Yes, so delicious, right? Little dabble do ya. Add some spiced ginger, mix it up good, pat it all down real nice, and grab those whipped potatoes, plop them on top. How easy can this get, right? So easy. Share this with your friends and family, right? Let them see how easy going whole food plant based is. Spread it out, right? I love you. Yes. Add some salt and pepper. Add some salt and pepper. Cover it with foil and cook it for about 30 minutes. 30 to 45 minutes, right?
Here we
Cover
go.
it with foil.
Look at
Pop it
this.
in the oven. This is amazing. Ah. Ah. All right. So there you have it. How cool is this? Look at this. It's beautiful, right? And it's delicious. Hail to the yeah. This is easy peasy shepherd's pie. So good. So delicious. Yep. Go ahead. Make this some night, some really busy work night, or, make it for the weekend, man. Do you, boo. It's your house. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I love you. Thank you so, so much for supporting me in my channel. Go ahead, feel free to donate if you'd like. I'd appreciate it so, so much. I'll leave a link in the description below as well. If you're new to my channel, get the hell in here, ding that thing, baby, subscribe, and I will see you again really, really, really soon. Thank you so much.